fun and colorful. A turtle art project in Scratch. Are you excited? Because I sure am. Let's dive right in. So what exactly is turtle art? Imagine a cute little turtle spinning around, creating beautiful, colorful shapes. And guess what? We'll use Scratch blocks to make it happen. Ready to get started. Step 1, let's get our little turtle. Head over to the Scratch Sprite library and choose a sprite. I'm going with the turtle sprite. You can choose whichever sprite you like, but let's keep it classic with our little turtle friend. Got your sprite? Great! Now, let's make this turtle move and draw some cool shapes. To draw with our turtle, we need the pen extension. Head over to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the blue button with the puzzle piece and find the pen extension. Click on it, and it's added to your blocks. Now, let's get coding. First, drag out a When Green Flag Clicked block from the Events category. This will make sure our code runs when we click the green flag. Next, let's add a clear block from the pen category so the screen is clean every time we start. And then, let's add a pen down block so our turtle can start drawing. Now it's time for our turtle to move. Drag out a Repeat 50 block from the Control category. Inside this repeat block, we'll put a Move 10 Steps block and a Turn 15 Degrees block from the Motion category. What does this do? It makes our turtle move forward and turn a little, over and over again, creating a cool circular shape. Let's test it out. Let's add some colors to our art. Go back to the pen blocks and add a Change Pen Color by 10 block inside the repeat loop. This way, the pen color will change a little bit every time our turtle moves. Now, watch the magic happen. When we click the green flag again, Rainbow Circle unlocked. Look at that beautiful, colorful spiral. Isn't it amazing? And that's just the beginning. You can play around with the numbers in the repeat block, the steps, or the turn degrees to create all kinds of cool shapes. Now let's create the spiral. Drag out a Repeat 50 block from the Control category. Inside this repeat block, add a Move 10 Steps block and a Turn 15 Degrees block from the Motion category. But here's the twist. To make the turtle draw a spiral, we need to increase the steps gradually as the loop runs. Drag out a Change by 1 block from the Variables category. Create a new variable called Step Size and set it to 1 before the repeat loop using a Set Step Size to 1 block. Inside the repeat loop, add Move Step Size steps and then change the step size by 1 each time. This will make our turtle move a little further each time, creating a beautiful spiral. Now, let's test it out. Now it's your turn, Super Coders. Try changing the repeat number, like maybe 100 or 200, or try turning by 30 degrees instead of 15. You'll see different shapes and patterns every time. What will your turtle create? Challenge: create your own turtle art. If you had fun making this turtle art project, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell to never miss out on more fun coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep coding and keep creating. See you next time, Super Coders.